This video is going to show you how to create your margins. Depending on the requirements for your college, they will alter. But for this instance, I'll show you how to create margins and separate them per different page. So on your cover page, your margin may be 2 inches at the top, 1 inch at the bottom, 1 1/4 left, and 1 1/4 right. So here's how you can move and adjust as needed. So we'll hit OK. In a prior video, I showed you how to create section breaks in which you will go to break, next page. Now, you want to make sure you go to next page because this here, as you can see, our margins are different. The margin on this page is 1 inch top, 1 inch bottom, 1 1/4 on each side. But if we go back to our main page, this one here has margins of 2 inch at the top. So when you do a next page section break, you are then able to adjust the margins as you need. So if you want to have the same margin here, you can go to your last custom setting and it'll adjust the margin. But let's say for the acknowledgements, your requirements are that it's a 1 inch margin at the top. So you'll just go here, 1 inch, hit OK. And now this is 1 inch, whereas this is 2 inches, which is the same as your front page. And this is how you can create separate margins. And the main reason by doing that is hitting section break next page to do so. If you just hit next page, just page cut, it'll keep the prior margins. So if you're trying to create margins within your first chapter here, we have section break next page. We can make chapter 1 a 2 inch margin. But now let's say you want your second page, that's the next page, to have a different margin. So you'll go to break next page here. Now we can see that the current page is a 2 inch at the top, but we want to make it a 1 inch. And there you go. So your chapter 1 here is 2 inches. Chapter next page is 1 inch. But as you can see, I notice, look at these numbers. So since we're here, we can change that real quick. So we can look at our numbers here, Roman numerals. We do not want to, we have a new section. We do not want to link it to the previous. So we want to go here. We want to go to format. We want to start at number 1. And that's how you can change your numbers at the bottom, your page numbers. So just a little addition.